This is our house. That's the house. Oh, this like together. Look at this monkey. Monkey looks like there's an outside there. Oh. Look, Mom, look at the window. Oh, we have to rock.
You know.
That will be easier.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll have
My
a photo.
bed has to be like outside.
Yeah, this is just a showroom.
It
You
needs
know?
to be my bed. Look in there. I love this. This is my face. This is a great time to ride. Wait. Should I do? I think this one's like this fold up one.
Hello. I don't know.
Good afternoon, this is a customer announcement. Customer normal
Yeah, he's already. This is my favorite sofa. I am looking at you. Uh-oh.
Our video. We're making part 2 now. So go and check part 1.
Okay.
Mama, put them in the thermos. Can this be my room? Like, can we turn my room into this? Like, show the
Look,
whole
take a
thing.
picture from here. Mama,
It looks nice.
Actually, there's a bunk bed. There's a bunk bed.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at the drawers.
Yeah.
That
Where are you guys?
This is my bunk bed.
Yeah.
Look what happened to this. You can't come up. Look what you
Why?
can do. Look what.
Uh-oh.
No. Look what.
Yeah, we need that for all of your toys.
Mama, can go in our chair.
Let me check the price of that.
Okay. The price is.
And it looks really nice.
Look.
More than enough for your toys.
12.
Wait, let me note
not
it down.
The mattress is 12.
Wait, give me your one, Yusuf.
Why? Write it down.
Wait.
Wait, how do you close this? But this is.
Is there a toilet? Don't do it for real.
Mama.
This is another room. It's too small.
Can I pretend to climb up?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna go like this. No,
Are you reading?
the arrow.
This room is quite nice too.
But how did you
Wow.
How did he get
Look at
to the
this.
window? Did you break the window? I should have
Burning
break the window.
Marilyn Monroe.
This is wow. This is very beautiful.
Yeah.
This should be my living room. But yeah, there's that TV there.
So far, I think we like darker sitting rooms, but brighter bedrooms. Usually people like the opposite, but
Look over here, and then it leads to a garden.
yeah.
Let's sit out here.
Yeah. Hadi, let's go now. Daddy is waiting for us. You know that he's an impatient person. Probably he's already out.
Arrow. The arrow leads this way. The arrow leads this way. I see where the arrow leads to. Where the arrow.
What are you gonna cook, Esra?
Thanks in there. Mama.
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough cooking. Come on, let's go to eat.
This is a great room. We have to buy this room. We have to buy it. We have to buy this. We have to.
Yeah.
Mama, we have to buy this.
Okay.
Look, can you take a picture of me? It's like a step.
The best thing ever.
Take a picture of me.
This is my favorite.
Can I
Wow,
take a
look at
picture?
this.
Mama, can I take of me?
Be careful, you're gonna burn yourself.
The big fridge. Why are you taking it from our fridge? Nope.
Oh, this one even nicer. Look, the golden.
Golden. That means we have to get that fridge. Oh, look. Imagine
Hi, chef. What are you gonna cook for us? Soup.
Mama, look at mine.
It smells yummy. Is there anything in the oven? No?
I'll read.
Oh, this is lovely room as well. Are you cooking as well? Are you all cooking?
I'm cooking eggs and salmon.
Egg and salmon? Oh, I wonder how it's gonna taste.
Then I like
Oh, look at this, Asra.
Wow, this is a carpet.
I found my daddy. Stay.
Wow, this is. I want this type of thing. Where the living room's there, the kitchen's there. So whilst I'm
Asra's
watching the
open
TV,
plan kitchen and sitting room.
Mama, I actually want this. Like for real. And then I walk this.
This.
Bing.
Hello. And this.
Yeah. This is a green kitchen.
I don't want to bring kitchen.
You don't want green kitchen?
Play area.
Yeah. This one. And this is my favorite kitchen. Oh, this is quite nice.
Near the door. Why can I not open the door? Yeah. They have secret fridge. A secret fridge.
Yeah, whenever I want to hide stuff from you guys, all of those cakes and stuff,
Then we know.
I'm sure you'll find it anyway.
This is the fridge. This place looks beautiful. This is the kid pot. This is the kid pot. You can cook like.
I need like a bowl.
Look at the pot. This is nice.
That means it's gonna be boiling hot. It's ready. Zero. I found that. I'm sorry, you know what?
Oh, there's a balcony.